How to turn off text-to-speech on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to Accessibility as shown. From here, you can personalize iPhone in ways that work best for you with accessibility features for vision, mobility, hearing, speech, and cognition. Go to the Vision section at the top and tap on Spoken Content. Here, you can manage the Speak selection and Speak Screen settings from here. To use the Speak Screen feature, you have to swipe down with 2 fingers from the top of the screen to hear the content of the screen. You can also manage the speech controller and highlight content settings below. Now, turn off the Speak selection feature at the top. You have now successfully turned off text-to-speech on your phone. Following these steps, you can easily turn off text-to-speech on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.